Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Cauliflower tortilla. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our cauliflower tortilla. So we're going to need 1 head of cauliflower, some thyme, some seasoned peppers, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, so we're going to steam our head of cauliflower. While that is steaming, let's cut up our thyme and our seasoning peppers. We don't need to cut it up very small because we're going to be using a food processor in order to mix everything. We're going to beat our eggs well. Alright, so we're going to check to see if our cauliflower is soft. Now we're going to add our cauliflower, our thyme, our seasoning pepper to the food processor. And we're going to process that. I think I used about, what did I see there? Was it 3 seasoning peppers? 2 to 3? Of course, you can put how many you want. Some people want more, some people want less. If you want to make it spicy, you could even put a piece of hot pepper too. All right, so we're going to put a mixture in a cloth in order to squeeze out the excess liquid now from the cauliflower. So we're going to squeeze it well. If you have a cheesecloth, you can do that. Just make sure and squeeze all the liquid out as best as you can. Liquid is not our friend in making this. So we want to get out as much liquid as we can. All right, so now that our liquid is out, we will add it back to the bowl. And now we're going to add the Italian seasoning and our salt to this. That salt doesn't want to come off the plate. We're going to add now our egg. So the egg is going to act as our binding agent. We're going to mix that well. We're going to put some oil and parchment paper and we're going to form the tortillas on it. Now don't put as much oil as I did. I did put too much oil. I didn't use coconut oil though, but that was a little too much oil. All right, so we're gonna put our mixture down on the parchment paper and we're gonna form it into tortillas. Now this is purely using cauliflower. Another binding agent is actually flour itself. So if you wanted to add a couple tablespoons of gluten-free flour or regular flour to act as a binding agent, you can do that as well. All right, so we spread that out. Into our tortilla shape. Now we're going to bake for 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, your cauliflower tortillas. Just put one on the plate there so you can see. That's it there. Enjoy!